Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the type of decimal separator in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel file, and as you can see, I'm using comma as my decimal separator, and I'm going to change it to point. If you want to do that, first thing first, we need to go to the file option, and then you can select more and choose options, and then you have to go to the advanced option. Okay, and if you want to change your decimal separator, you have to uncheck it, use system separators. You have to disable this option like this, and since we want to change it to point, I'm just going to type point. Okay, and for the thousand separator, I'm going to make it comma, and once we're done, we just need to click on OK. And as you can see that my decimal separator has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change the type of decimal separator in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.